Achilles injuries have we seen born out of? None. 9 points in the resilience of this team that the Pacers would keep up for Rick Hockey pot to go in the first quarter. And then SGA is the one to come up with a Thunder turn it into points. City Thunder fans were going nuts. Been healthy, played the full game. His Achilles did not get. That's Pacers fans. Bloodline right there.
That's right.
Wonderful, wonderful owner. What a wonderful, wonderful man he is. Starts there. Many times we looked at him and we said, he's getting the best day. We have to look at Sam Presti as being that elite executive, not just the executive. In NBA history, you have so much assets coming down the pike. You're not going on.
That being said, and Wendy alluded to it a little bit earlier, a lot of
suspect of what the hell we think he
signed Shea to a contract extension that's going to be huge.
Yes.
The biggest structure right now, they're trying to squeeze the 15 first-round picks. I mean, guys, they have the 15th pick in this draft on Monday. I mean, who knows? Maybe they draft a guy that ends up being a really great team that lasted for 10 years. You're talking about the Spurs, the 2000s. You go back to the Bulls. Look at the players that were supporting Tim Duncan and Manu Ginobili and Tony Parker in 2014. Completely different than the ones who were, because they were able to bring in extra players. The Thunder are in position to do that, even under the current rules. So Stephen A. brings up a good point. We're in the parity era. Not only have we not had a repeat champion, Molly, we're not giving them anything, but they are in best position probably since.
This is not mindset. It's an achievement. In the GMC